What's up, gamers? It's WildGamer13 here. Welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm going to be playing some more No Man's Sky. And today, in our part 3 of it, I'm going to be doing a part 3 of us. And today, we just found out a crash ship on part 2, and that was near the end of the video. I did my sign off, and here we are in our part 3. And it looks like we're going to drive a ship, and we're giving orders to repair it. So here we go. Self-guided repair control protocols initiated. Okay. What? Pulse engine. Oh, we need to repair. Oh no. Oh wow. A launch thruster critically damaged. Press X to exit. Okay, so we can't actually drive it yet. We need to exit the ship. Actually, so let's see this again. So how much do we need to repair? Oh, it has that anyways. Restore point save. Alright, so repair pulse engine, metal plating. Okay. Alright, so collect. Oh, I already have $3. Craft metal plating. Alright, access my inventory. Here we go. Modify. Metal plating. Okay, let's go to the pulse engine. Oh, there we go. Alright, let's grab this. What did I just do? Oh, Starship repair. Oh, functional. There we go. Alright, Starship critically damaged. Vital ingredients missing. Unable to send a required. Alright, request assistance. Recommendation. Elimination. Alright. Let's go. Alright, so search the distress beacon and catch for supplies. Locate hermetic seal. Okay, let's go. Oh, here we go. Alright. I appear inside the beacon's housing, as well as a distress broadcast unit. It contains a planetary chart. Alright, let's go. Let's take the chart. We got it. Open the inventory to view that. Alright, so let's use this. Alright, where do I put it? Oh, okay. Thermal protection falling. Okay. Let's life support. Energy. Hazard protection. It's only 9%. It's 9%. Alright, let's go. What do I do? Open the inventory to view data. Highlight the chart and use X. Oh, okay. There we go. Whoa! What is going on? Okay. That was weird. Reach the marked coordinates. Oh my gosh, that's very far. Okay, let's go though. I believe I can do this. Let's go. Let's keep on running. Oh my gosh. Off we go. To the other side, basically. Okay, so we're going well though. We need some more. We need to repair like the hazard protection because it's going down fast. Let's repair it with some sodium. Technology recharge. Alright. We need some more sodium. So let's do a scan. How do we find some more sodium? This is a rich sodium plant, isn't it? Yep, sodium rich plant. Right, there we go. We got 18 extra sodium. Oh, incoming firestorm. What? No. Let's keep on journeying, guys. Let's keep on going. Oh no. A firestorm? That doesn't sound good. Let's just keep on going. Go. Oh no! What is that? No. I'm going around, trying to go around. Storm! Storm, firestorm! Ah! It's going down. It's 107 degrees Celsius. Ah! I'm gonna keep on running though. I'm gonna keep on going. Keep on going. I'm gonna repair the hazard protection. Go. Go. Oh, go. Okay, we're being able to handle it. It's going good. Ah! We can't waste any time. Ah! Keep on going. It's staying at 107 degrees. It's okay, we're going good. Let's repair our hazard protection again. More sodium. Recharged. Okay. We're doing good, guys. Come on. As long as we keep on recharging. Okay, let's scan. Any sodium nearby? There's sodium over here. Oxygen. Yeah, we need to get our eye support up. Let's go. Let's collect some water too. Oxygen-rich plant. Let's go. Collect those. Here it is. Here's the place. This is the place that we need. Ah, okay. Let's redo our hazard protection. Go. Where do I go? In here. Okay. Oh, okay. It looks like we're good in here. Alright, guys. We did it. Woo! Wait. Encrypt navigation data. Alright, here we go. Other update. Okay. What else do I do? Okay, reach the marked coordinates again. Oh, here we go. Polar archive. Okay. Accessing archive. Logs corrupted. Okay. Entry follows. Alright, no one. Making this recording in case leaving behind in the fabricator might be of some use. Visor damage. I can't find ship. Recover supplies. Let's go. The log finishes and machine boils to life. Spitting out supplies, I have the hermetic seal I need to repair my ship. Whoever it was that led me here, whoever left this message, perhaps they found themselves in the same situation as I do now. Alright, locate hermetic seal. Okay, that's done. I think the storm's gone as well. Alright, hermetic seal acquired. Return to the Starship and continue repairs. Alright, so where do I go again? Over there. I think the firestorm's still here. Well, I'm not sure. It's going okay so far. I'm gonna return back to the Starship though, so then we can repair this. Sprint depleted. Wait for stamina to recharge. Alright. Use Atlas Visor LT to locate Starship. As the visor requires installation. Not falling. It's only at 9. It's still at 93%. Where do we get the execute Starship? Oh, multi-tool. I have to install it, but I need a carbon thing. Oh no. Oh, okay. Begin Atlas Visor installation. Alright, gather carbon. Alright. Oh, I've already got it. Craft it. Alright, continue. Okay, I've got to access my inventory. A to craft an empty slots. Alright, here we go. Carbon... multi-tool, maybe? Go to Atlas Advisor. Install. Did I do it? Yes, I installed it. I think I installed it. Yep. Alright. Now there's an analyze objects for rewards. Locate your starship. Whoa. What's this? Test the analyze advisor. With the visor, hold RT to analyze target. Okay. Oh, this is like Subnautica. I definitely have to play that game with you guys as well. New discovery. Locate your starship. Alright. Target objects. Alright, return to the starship. Locate your starship. Oh, starship's over here. I think this is it. Yeah, your starship. I just said it. Your starship. Distance, like 700 meters away. Alright, let's go. Let's actually recharge my life support because I'm kind of losing a lot of life support. Alright, let's use the oxygen on it. There we go. Let's recharge our hazard protection with the sodium. Okay, I didn't fully recharge it, so let's look for some more sodium. Sodium rich one. Alright, let's go. Let's get this. There we go. Got that. Got 19 sodium. Hazard protection. Ooh. Okay, hazard protection. Your exosuit will automatically deploy hazard protection when required. Hazard protection is drained by exposure to radiation, planetary toxins, and extreme temperatures. When your exosuit's hazard protection system is drained, your shields will begin to take damage. Hazard protection will recharge automatically when the user is in a building, starship, or cave. Away from shelter, hazard protection systems are recharged with sodium or various long batteries. Sodium can be harvested from planetary. We already know about sodium. Long batteries can be crafted from cobalt, and ferrite. Hazard systems can be recharged from the exosuit inventory or via the quick menu using down the D-pad. Acquire survival upgrades from technology merchants on space stations and planetary shops. Okay. Alright, so let's... Wait, so where's the starship again? Oh, it's over here. Alright. Let's actually go inside here so we can recharge our... Yep, my heat levels are going back up. Alright, there we go. That doesn't really make sense, does it? Alright, let's just fly up again. Alright, back we go on the journey to the starship. 13 minutes in, and we've done very well. Alright, like 500 meters away from the starship. Let's go. Let's keep on going. We found protection falling. It's okay, I can recharge with sodium. Let's, where do I get more sodium? Well, the sodium over here. Sodium rich one? Yeah, there is. That's only 70 meters, I may as well go. Just gonna go there, just in case. I need any sodium. Now scan's recharging. Oh, gosh. Alright, here we go. We're nearly there. 200 meters away. I think we need a firestorm or something. Just scan. Alright. Keep on going. Alright, here we are. I see the Starship, I think. Yep, there it is. 100 meters away. Let's scan. Oh, it's still recharging. Oh, there it is. Okay, it should be nearly recharged. Come on, recharge. Okay. I repaired the pulse engine. Alright, so let's repair the pulse engine. Alright. Oh, there we go. I repaired it somehow. Alright, launch thruster. Okay. Alright, repair. Alright, we need pure ferrite and okay. We've already got 2 done apparently. Okay, so we've got the metal plating, done on the home next year. Now we need repair launch thrusters. Dehydration jelly. Oh, I've already got the dehydration required. Now we just need to, okay, advanced technologies require, be continue. Use aid to craft items. Alright, so let's get a new one. Alright. Access the inventory. Alright, so access the inventory. Let's repair the launch thruster. Oh, there we go. Repaired launch thrusters. We need pure ferrite. Alright. So craft metal plating. Oh, we just need to craft metal plating. Okay. Modify metal plating. Alright, okay. And alright, deploy the portable refiner. Access the build menu. Oh. Okay, I think we have to go out of the ship. Alright. Let's just place it down. There we go. Fuel inverter. Alright. I have no idea what I'm doing. Alright, let's use normal carbon. Fuel supply. Use raw materials into alright. There we go. Gather ferrite dust from small rocks. We've done 40 out of 50. Alright. Here's ferrite. Ferrite is like the most. Ferrite dust is like literally the most easiest thing ever to get. Alright, there we go. Use X to activate deployed refiner. Portable refiner. Right, there we go. Input. What should I input? Just put in meaty chunks, because why not? Yeah, just put it in. And what's this? Output. Alright, so place ferrite dust in the reportable refiner's input. Right. Oh, we have to place a different one. Okay. Alright, so what am I placing again? Oh, portable refiner. Alright, ferrite dust. There we go. Place ferrite. Alright, use X to activate a deployed refiner. Alright, so advanced materials required. Pure ferrite. Oh, I just have ferrite dust. Okay. Oh, okay. So pure ferrite. Where do we get pure? I don't understand. Portable refiner. Okay. Then what? So what do we use? Maybe ferrite dust? Oh, X begin. Alright, let's go. Oh, it crafts pure ferrite. I knew it. Oh my gosh. Okay. There we go. That's so cool. It crafts stuff. Let's put this in my exosuit. That's awesome. Alright, prepare the launch test. Access the inventory. Alright. Let's get inside the plane. And, alright. So access the inventory. Repair launch test. Okay, before I repair this, I'm gonna have to end the video, okay? Part 4 coming soon. I'm gonna make a part 4 on this video, guys. And this time, I think we'll actually get to fly the ship on part 4. So guys, stay tuned for that. And I'd love your support, guys. Smash the like button and subscribe if you did enjoy these videos and you want more. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Goodbye.